Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to set up your OBS to use a webcam in another program such as PowerPoint. So the first thing you are going to want to do is go to Scenes and click on the plus sign and name it. Let's call this PowerPoint. Next thing you're going to do is go to Sources and click on the plus sign. We're going to use window capture to get PowerPoint. Let's name it PP, which, by the way, you cannot name a source and a scene the same name. And we're going to go ahead and from this list, click PowerPoint. Click OK. As you can see, the bottom part down here is not filled out. This is typically where your Windows bar is. If this bothers you, what you can do is add a second window capture. Have it be the exact same thing. And move one of the two down. So we're going to use PowerPoint 2 down. We're going to right click on it, click on Filters, click Add Filter, and then Blur. And then we can increase the blur and have this go so that way it's just kind of mapping the same thing. And then click on this down arrow to move it underneath that. If we want, we can also click and drag this down a bit. I think this is a nice way to fill the space. So now to add the webcam, what you want to do is click on Add, Video Capture Device. You can keep the initial name, then select your webcam. Hello. So this is going to go off into the corner. You can click and drag to move it anywhere you want. A lot of people like the bottom left corner. And you can resize it by clicking and dragging on the same thing. If you want to crop it, what you can do is click on the Alt key and then click on the sides and drag it in. And then you can move it around and then you can resize from here. Another thing I like to do lastly is so that you're not dragging your key off the board is in Settings, go ahead and click on Hotkeys and set hotkeys up to start and stop the recording. I find that's really useful. And there you have it. This is how to set up OBS to capture your webcam and PowerPoint at the same time. Now let's say you want to add a webcam of your desk. You can use the exact same webcam, but just hang it off your monitor like this. And now you're going to do the same thing. Click on Add, Video Capture Device. You can click on Add Existing this time, and click the same one as you did before. So now you see we have the camera set up, and just drag it to meet the side. We can do this exactly the same. Okay, but one thing you will notice though is that it is upside down as far as the video is concerned. What you can do then is right click, click on Transform, and rotate 180 degrees. And now it is exactly as you were seeing it.